The first step is to open a top-level assemblies revision page. Click Edit BOM. Click Compare BOM from the left side screen. Scroll down and select which revision you want to compare. Once you have your two revisions you are comparing, you can make edits as needed. You can also import a new rev to compare. To edit the left side TLA, top level assembly, click Edit BOM. You can click into the right side BOM and change components. Alternatively, you can search an order line and compare a temporary order BOM to your selected revision. Select the order. Now you can compare and edit the temporary BOM. You can add components. Let's go back to comparing revisions and look at a rev roll. If you want to change which revision is the current revision, hit Rev Roll. This will redirect you back to your revision screen, where you can change the current rev. You can also roll rev with ECO. This will give you more options, such as updating orders that are already on the floor to use the current rev. Select your ECO type, then hit Submit. This will produce a hyperlink to navigate to your ECO. That's it. You're done.